Think of your brain as the ultimate high-tech workspace. But for those living with neurobehavioral disorders like attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, autism spectrum disorder, the office environment can get a little chaotic. To get things back on track, we often look at the catecholaminergic activity in the heavy-hitting departments like the prefrontal cortex, the striatum, and the hippocampus. This is where dopamine and norepinephrine do their best work. Medications like methylphenidate act as a reuptake blocker to keep these chemicals in the game longer, while atomoxetine serves as a selective norepinephrine reuptake inhibitor. Then there's the calm down crew, guanfacine and clonidine, which act like alpha-2 adrenergic receptor agonists to steady the ship. But beneath the surface of these behavioral symptoms lies a complex biological world of neuroinflammation and oxidative stress. This isn't just about chemicals, it's about full-scale immune response driven by genetic and environmental factors. Our glial cells, the oligodendrocytes, astrocytes, ependymal cells, and microglia, are usually a maintenance set, but sometimes they start churning out too many cytokines and chemokines and reactive oxygen species. This can lead to immune cell infiltration, where monocytes, macrophages, neutrophils, and T cells start crowding the parenchyma. You might even find antibasal ganglia or anti-dopamine transporting antibodies acting like an inviting guest at the party. When the brain's power plants, the mitochondria, struggle to maintain ATP and ion homeostasis, we enter a state of oxidative stress. This is where protein carbonyls and deobarbituric acid reactive oxygen species, which are basically the biological rest of the nervous system. To fight back, the brain calls on the internal superheroes, the antioxidants, glutathione superoxide dismutase, and catalase. We can even give the brain a boost with N-acetylcysteine, which provides L-cysteine to build more glutathione, or omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D to help soothe the inflammation. One of the most fascinating players in this story is the mast cell. These cells are like tiny high-pressure chemical balloons. When triggered by stress, corticotropin releasing the hormone or substance P, they undergo degranulation. This releases a flood of histamine, tryptase, and prostaglandins, which increase vascular permeability. So the next time your brain feels a bit overwhelmed, remember it's just a very busy, very complex ecosystem of cytokines and catecholamines doing its absolute best to navigate